Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be super duper special because this is something that you must have seen that a lot of photographers are doing it nowadays. A lot of wedding videographers are doing something like that. It's like there are 2-3 videos together they are playing. It's like a slow-mo kind of a thing, then there is a song in the background, but all together the end result is marvelous. It looks so beautiful. It's just magical. Okay, so that's exactly what we are going to do today, but although it might seem very difficult, it's very easy on Canva. So let's get started and see how you can create something like that in just a few minutes. So first, you have to come over here and search with Instagram story. Okay, so when you do that, you don't have to pick up any template, just go for a blank one. I have selected a blank template. Okay, so let's just say that we are going to select 3 videos, okay, one by one. So for that, to create that layout, we need a grid. Okay, so what do? We go to elements, we come here, we scroll down a little bit, and we come to grids. Okay, so here can you see the third line where we have 3 grids? You don't need to drag and drop or do anything, just click once. Okay, and you will see that the grid will take the exact shape of your canvas. Okay, now as you can see, there is a white space like a border in between. I don't need that, so I will go to spacing and I will decrease it to 0 so that there is no space over here. Okay, now I will get to videos. As I don't have any wedding video right now, but let's hope very soon, we will go ahead and select some videos which is there in Canva itself. Okay, so I'll just write wedding and let's see, these are for Indian weddings. I would like to go for some Western wedding theme. Okay, so this is a nice picture. I can use this one. I mean, not picture, a video. After that, let's see, this is nice. We can take this one also. And let's take this dancing one. Okay, so we have 3 videos ready. Now we need a song. Okay, you can see that the video can be played, but I'll play it all together at the end. I need a song. For that, I have already downloaded a beautiful song by Ed Sheeran, Perfect. It's one of my favorites. So I'll just go to uploads, click on upload file, and Perfect Duet by Ed Sheeran MP3, I will upload it. So when I do that, you will see that now the song is here. Once it's completely downloaded, not downloaded, uploaded rather, I'll just drag and drop. Okay, that's it. Now you can adjust which part do you want. So I'll keep the entire thing because it's just 30 seconds, 27 seconds to be exact. So I'll use it. And that's it, you are done. So let me play this thing and you'll see how it looks. Can you see how beautiful the video sings with the song? I found a girl. I love this song. Okay, so I hope you got the idea how you can create something like that in just a few minutes and it looks just amazing. Okay, and it's not just this song, you can create a Hindi version of this as well. Suppose you want let's take this one, let's take this one and this one. Okay, these are all Hindu rituals, and now we need a song also which is in Hindi. So I'll go to uploads. I have Din Shagnada. I will just drag and drop, and let me pause it and let me send it to the top. All right, and then I can play. So can you see that, how beautiful it looks? So you can create these videos in seconds. Not seconds, but yeah, just a few minutes. Okay. So if you have everything handy, go ahead and try it out and do not forget to tag us because I would love to see how it had turned out. On Instagram, if you're there, you can follow us at Ranjit Raj Official for more Canva updates. If you are interested in learning Canva, we have a few tutorials full tutorial. We do have a full tutorial. I'm fumbling, I don't know why, but I'm very happy to see the end results on this particular video. Go ahead and check out the description. I have added everything in the video description. And if you want to know more about our free templates, the link is also given there. You can check out the free templates. You can download and use them. If you like the video, do let me know in the comment section what is exactly that you liked about it. And if you have some requests, do not forget to mention that in the comments. I would make sure I create videos of whatever you need to learn from me. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.